morning. Myself शालिनी गर्ग, लेक्चरर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज जोधपुर। आज हम साइन नंबर रिप्रेजेंटेशन करेंगे। साइन नंबर रिप्रेजेंटेशन में सबसे पहले हम साइन मैग्नीट्यूड डिस्कस करते हैं। अनसाइंड बाइनरी नंबर में जितनी भी बिट्स होती हैं, ऑल बिट्स रिप्रेजेंट मैग्नीट्यूड। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, 1101 is equal to 13. There is no such thing as plus 13 and minus 13. 13 is considered as plus 13. Next number 10001, this is equal to 70. 0110 is 6. Irrespective of first bit, all bits represent magnitude and there is no sign bit. Range is from 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1. That is, for a 4-bit number, you can represent total of 2 to the 0 to 2 to the power 4 minus 1. That is, 0 to 2 to the power 4 is 16 minus 1. That makes it 15. The including 0, it makes total of 16 different values. Total bit for a 4-bit number is 2 to the power 4, that is 16. Now, let us consider sign magnitude binary numbers. In sign magnitude binary numbers, the first bit represents the sign bit. The remaining bits represents the magnitude. For example, 1101. In this, 101 is 5. And the first bit is 1, which represents it is equivalent to minus 5. The second number is 0001. So the first bit indicates the number is negative, and 0001 value is 1, so the number is minus 1. Again, 0110 is equivalent to plus 6 because the first bit is 0, that is, it indicates plus value, and 110 makes it a 6. The range is from minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. Range for a 4-bit number is minus 2 to the power 3 minus 1 to plus 2 to the power 3 minus 1, that is from minus 7 to plus 7. Now here you have the table in which the decimal value from 0 to 7 for a 4-bit number. This table shows the sign value and the decimal equivalent value. 0 means 0. The first bit represents the sign bit. So this is the sign bit for all the numbers, and the remaining 3 bits, 1 means 001, 2 means 010, 3 means 011, 4 means 100, 5 means 101, 6 means 110, and 7 means 111. The first bit is 0, which represents the decimal number, plus 0, plus 1, plus 2, and so on up to plus 7. Similarly here, now 0 is represented by 3 zeros and the negative value is 1. So this first digit is 1, indicating this negative sign. The remaining 3 bits indicate the magnitude, that is 001 is 1, 010 is 2, and so on. So the positive value are from plus 0 to plus 7, total of 8. The negative value are again from minus 0 to minus 7, that is total 8. That makes it total 8 plus 8, that is 16. So again, a 4-bit numbers represent 16 different values. But now we have something as plus 0 and minus 0, which is not actually correct. Now, how to represent if a number is given in the sign magnitude form, how to find its equivalent decimal value. Suppose it is 10110. You have to identify first the most significant bit. If it is 1, it indicates the number is negative. Then the remaining bits are used to calculate the magnitude. 0110 is equivalent to 6. So 10110 is equivalent to minus 6. Similarly, 11001. Now the first bit is 1. This indicates the number is negative. Now find the value of 10001. This is equivalent to 17. So the value is minus 17. Now here, if the first bit is 0, then it indicates the number is positive. Again, 10001 is equivalent to 17. Now let us add minus 17 and plus 17. Minus 17 as shown here is double 10001, plus 17 is 010001. When we add the two numbers, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, again 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. So, it is equivalent to, the first bit is 1 and indicates the result is negative. The remaining bit 00010 is equivalent to 2. So, the value is minus 2. Minus 17 and plus 17 should give 0 answer, but we are getting minus 2. That means sign magnitude representation does not give correct results for subtraction. Now let us consider another method for sign number representation. It is ones complement method. In ones complement system, the positive numbers are represented in similar way as in sign magnitude form. That is plus 15, the 4 bits indicates the magnitude and the first bit 0 indicates the sign bit. However, for negative number, every bit is replaced by its complement. For example, if you have plus 17 is equivalent to 0, 1, 0001, then complement each bit corresponding to 1 we have 0, then 0 ke corresponding you have 1, again 0 ke corresponding you have 1, again 0 ke corresponding you have 1, 1 ke corresponding 0 and 0 ke corresponding 1. So minus 17 is 10110. Similarly, for minus 15, complement each bit. 1 को हम 0, we have 4 ones, चारों 1 को चारों 0 बन जाएंगे and 0 का 1. So minus 15 is equivalent to 1 and 4 zeros. The range is from minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. For a 4-bit number, the range is minus 2 to the power 4 minus 1 minus 1, that is 2 to the power 3 minus 1, that is 8 minus 1 minus 7, to plus 2 to the power 4 minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 2 to the power 3 minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, that is plus 7. Now you can hear, this is a table showing one's complement value for a 4-bit number with its decimal equivalent value. Again, here the first bit represents the sign bit. For plus number, the first bit is 0. The remaining 3 bits are indicating its magnitude. 00 indicates 0, 001 indicates 1, 010 is plus is 2, 011 is 3, 4 is 1, 00, 5 is 1, 01, 6 is 110 and 7 is 111. Now, for minus 0, you have to take the complement of this. Corresponding to 4 zeros, we have 4 ones. Similarly, for minus 1, you have to take the complement of this. 3 zeros are replaced by 3 1 and single 1 is replaced by 0. Similarly, for minus 2, we have to take complement of 0, 0, 1, 0, which is 1, 1, 0, 1. Again, माइनस 3 में 2 0 हैं जिसकी जगह 2 1 आ जाएंगे, 2 1 है जिसकी जगह 2 0 आ जाएंगे. So you have to complement each and every bit to find the negative value of the number. माइनस 7 प्लस 7 है, ये 0 ट्रिपल 1, तो माइनस 7 becomes 0 के corresponding 1 and ट्रिपल 1 के corresponding ट्रिपल 0, so it is 1 0 0 0, which is equivalent to minus 7. Now, if we are given a number in one's complement form, how to find its decimal equivalent value? Suppose the number is 110010. First, you have to check whether the first bit is 1 or 0. If it is 1, it indicates the number is negative. Whenever the number is negative, you have to take complement of every bit. Now complement every bit, जो 1 है उनको 0 करना है, जो 0 है उनको 1 करना है. So first two bit are 1, corresponding to that we have first two bit as 0, then we have two zeros, corresponding to that we have two ones, then we have 1, corresponding to that we have 0, and 0 के corresponding 1. First number 1 है तो उसने indicate कर दिया number is negative. Now we are finding the magnitude of this number. 001101 is equivalent to 13. So this number is equivalent to minus 13. Let us take another example. 1101001. What is its decimal equivalent value if it is a ones complement number? The first bit is 1, so it indicates the number is negative. So you have to find its ones complement, that is you have to complement each and every bit and you have to write minus sign in front of it. So 11 is equivalent to 00, 01 is 10, then again you have two zeros which are equivalent to two ones and 1 is replaced by 0. So it is equivalent to 001011 with a minus sign. You have to convert it into decimal value. You can convert directly from binary to decimal, multiplying the LSB with 2 to the power 0, second bit by 2 to the power 1, third bit by 2 to the power 2, fourth bit by 2 to the power 3, fifth bit by 2 to the power 4, and so on. The remaining bits are 0, so result will be 0. So we have to add 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 1, which is equivalent to 2 plus 4 plus 16, that is equivalent to minus 22. Alternatively, you can convert the binary value to hexadecimal value and convert from hexadecimal to decimal. 0110 is equivalent to 6 and 0001 is equivalent to 1. Now 16 to the power 0 into 6 plus 1 into 16. 16, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So 16 to the power 6, 16 to the power 0 is 1 into 6, that is 6, plus 16 into 1, that is 16. So 16 plus 6, that makes it equal to minus 22 in decimal. So this is how you have to convert one's complement value to its decimal equivalent value. Now let us take another example. Plus 22. You have to write this one's complement value. First find its binary equivalent by dividing it by 2. 11 to 22, remainder is 0, then again 2 5 10, remainder 1, and so on, and then you have to move from lower to upper side, that makes it 10110. This is the magnitude. Now plus 22 means you have to add a sign bit 0 for plus, and the remaining bits are its magnitude, that is 10110. Now to find minus 22, you have to complement each and every value. For 0, we write 1. Corresponding to 1, we write 0. Again for 0, we write 1. Double 1, दो ज़ीरो आ जाएंगे एंड 1 के करस्पॉन्डिंग वी राइट 1. Now, if we add plus 22 and minus 22, the result should be 0. Now, let us see what happens when we add the two numbers in 1's complement form. 0 plus 1 is 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 0 plus 1 is 1. The answer is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, that is 6 ones. Now the first bit is 1. This indicates the number is negative. So we have to take its ones complement. That is, replace each bit by 0 with a minus sign in front of it. So that makes it minus and 6 zeros. So that is minus 0. But there is no such thing as minus 0. So even 1's complement has a drawback that it gives result as minus 0. Next, let us take another signed number representation, and it is the 2's complement representation. In 2's complement representation, the positive numbers are represented in the same way as in sign magnitude form, that is plus 15 is sign bit 0 and the remaining 4 bits represent the magnitude, that is 0, 1, 1, 1. For the negative number, every bit is replaced by its complement, that is 0 by 1 and 1 by 0, and then you have to add 1 to the complemented value. That is 2's complement is 1's complement plus 1. So how to find minus 15? First write plus 15, that is 0, 111. Take 6 ones complement by replacing each bit by its complement value. 0 को 1 से और 1 को 0 से. So we write 0 को 1 से and we have 4 ones, so we replace it by 4 zeros. Now add 1 to it. 1, 4 zeros में जब हम एक add करेंगे, it gives 1, 000, 1. So minus 15 is 1, 000, 1. Now let us take another example, plus 17. Plus 17 is 0, this sign bit, and the remaining magnitude 1, 000, 1. Now what is the value of minus 17? For minus 17, you write first plus 17, that is 0, 1, 000, 1. Find its ones complement. एक को 0 से और 0 को 1 से, it is equivalent to 1, 0, 111, 0. Add 1 to it, so it will give 0 plus 1, 1. Then you have 3 ones, 0 and 1. So the 2's complement value is 1, 0 and 4, 1. So minus 17 is equivalent to 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Next, we try to find it other way. Suppose a number is given in its 2's complement form. What is its decimal equivalent value? Now again you have to first see the first bit. If it is 1, it indicates the number is negative, and so you have to find its 2's complement. Write the number 1041, takes its 1's complement, which is equivalent to 1 को 0 से and 0 को 1 से, and here you have 4 zeros, so you replace it by 4 zeros, 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Add 1 to it, it gives 0 plus 1, 1, then 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. So the 2's complement value is 0, 1, 000, 1 with a negative sign in front of it, because here MSB was 1 indicating the value is negative. Now we have 1 at 0 position and at 5th position, that is 2 to the power 4. So the number is minus 17. If the number is, now let us take another example, 0, 1, 0, 110. What is its decimal equivalent value? 0 के corresponding 1 लेना है और 1 के corresponding 0 लेना है. If the number is negative, but अगर number positive है तो हमें conversion नहीं करना. Now here the MSB is 0 indicates the number is positive. So we do not have to take its 1's complement or 2's complement in case of 2's complement value. Find the magnitude of the remaining bits, that is 1 0 1 1 0. Multiply LSB by 2 to the power 0, next bit by 2 to the power 1, next by 2 to the power 2, next by 2 to the power 3, next by 2 to the power 4. This gives plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4, which makes it 16 plus 4 plus 2, that is plus 22. Now, let us consider another example in 2's complement form. We have to find what is the value of plus 35. First, find the magnitude of 35 in binary by dividing it by 2, and it is equivalent to 1 0 1 1. 35 is equivalent to 1 0 1 1. Now, plus 35, you have to write the sign bit 0 and 1 0 1 1. There is no conversion for plus 35. For minus 35, you have to take 1's complement for each and every bit, that is 0 1 0 1 को हम लिखेंगे 0 के corresponding 1, 1 के corresponding 0, then 3 zeros के corresponding 3 ones and 2 ones के corresponding 2 zeros. Then add 1 to it, it gives 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. So 2's complement of minus 35 is 1 0 1 1 0 1, and 2's complement of plus 35 is 0 1 0 1 1. Now, if we add plus 35 and minus 35 in 2's complement form, we write here plus 35, which is equal to 0 1 0 1 1, and minus 35 is 1 0 1 1 0 1. Now you add the two, it gives 1 plus 1 0, carry 1 1 plus 1 0, again carry 1 1 plus 1 0, 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 carry 1. The end around carry, this final carry generated in 2's complement is ignored. The result is these values. So it is equivalent to 0 in decimal. That means 2's complement, in 2's complement, the addition and subtraction is very easy, and so it is most widely used in the digital system. Now, this table shows a 4-bit numbers in 2's complement form and the decimal equivalent value. For plus number, there is no change. The first bit represents the sign bit and the remaining bits represent the magnitude. This first bit represents the sign bit and the remaining 3 bits represents the magnitude. 0 1 0 is plus 2, 0 0 0 1 1 is 3, 1 0 0 is 4, 1 0 1 5, 1 1 0 is 6 and 1 1 is 7. और उनके आगे सबके आगे 0 लगा हुआ है, which indicates the number are plus. Now to find 2's complement value for the negative number, you have to take its 1's complement and add a 1 to it. For minus 1 means take 2's complement, 1's complement of 0 0 1, that is 1 1 1 0, add 1 to it, which makes it 4 1. Similarly, minus 2 के लिए plus 2 का 1's complement लेना है, that is 1 1 0 1, और फिर उसमें 1 ऐड करना है, that makes it 1 1 0. Now the range for 2's complement number is minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. Total we have 2 to the power n numbers. For a 4-bit number, the range is from minus 2 to the power 4 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 is 3, that is minus 2 to the power 3, that is from minus 8 to plus 2 to the power 4 minus 1 minus 1, that is 2 to the power 3 minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, that is plus 7. Now 8 numbers here, minus 1 to minus 8, and 0 to plus 7, total 8 including 0. So total we have 16 different values. Now, this is the assignment for the student. You have to represent the decimal number 47 and minus 86 in sign magnitude form, in 1's complement form and in 2's complement form. Second question. Given the number below, if the number given below are in 1's complement form, find their decimal equivalent value. If it is 110100 is in 1's complement, what is its decimal equivalent value? For question number 3, if all these three different numbers are in 2's complement form, you have to find the decimal equivalent value. So that is all about signed number representation. On next turn, we will take subtraction using 1's complement. Thank you.